that's too shiny. That's too shiny.
It is, right? It needs to get dirty.
It looks nice though. Oh yeah, that's what I want to get right here.
Look at the bar, fits perfect.
Oh yeah.
And look at the little one. Yeah, that's nice right there.
You guys been here all day?
Huh?
You been here all day?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, get it. Those are cool to have too.
Even underneath.
Oh yeah, look at that's their winch. Yeah, like your truck. Look at jet baby. Even has lights on the bottom. Yeah. Look at this guy. Yeah, get it. Get it, yeah. Woo! One more. Oh, his door open. Have fun. Oh dang, no, where are you going? Go left. Hard Rocks. Hey, she's getting after
Lady
it.
drivers.
Lady driver. Dang. What'd she say? Her husband's paying for it?
So let that fucker pay for it.
Oh yeah.
She deserves
Let's
it.
go stand in the shade. Right here. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Cadillac. Yeah. Those are four-wheel drive? Come on.
Yeah.
We know you're not getting stuck. Get it? I go, we know you're not getting stuck. You know there's those Jeeps that look like boats? Go in the water. Get it. Get it.
Vlogger?
Huh?
You're a vlogger?
Yeah. Thomas Studio 17.
Okay.
Yeah, YouTube.
I'm going to follow you.
Oh, okay, right on, right on.
So, Steve something?
Huh? No, it's Thomas. Thomas Studio 17.
Thomas Studio?
17. You can put Azusa Canyon. It'll pop up with Azusa Mutters, the Dirt Nation, all them. And I'll say Thomas Studios. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. You guys come here a lot?
No, nice.
Huh? It's pretty fun.
Yeah,
Get it?
I forgot. I don't even make a channel.
He doesn't do too much on it.
Oh, because I couldn't subscribe to YouTube.
Yeah, you'll see him on mine. I'm subscribed to him.
Mine is Dan Cass, but I'm gonna put my videos on his.
Yeah. 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 Woo. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. The only bad thing about GoPros, they get hot
Yeah.
and then they shut off out of nowhere. But I guess you could dunk it underwater and cool it off. Yeah. Get it.
I forgot it's waterproof.
Yeah. Waterproof.
It's the 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
And his 6?
4.
4.
Yeah, there's a 4.
He has a 7 or?
The 4 and the 7 are the best ones.
That is a lot of good.
Yeah.
This almost a lot of smoke. I
Huh?
just seen like 18 right now.
Yeah. These are overpriced. They're too much.
Like 600, 700.
No, like 400. You can get them for like 350 if you get the coupon.
How much do you think they have to be?
I think they should only be like 200 bucks, 250
Yeah, 200.
bucks.
200
Yeah.
pounds.
Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh. Yeah.
I always tell people to honk.
Oh yeah. Let's try to get them to honk.
Honk, 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 honk.
Yeah.
Let's see if they're going to honk.
Passport.
Our honk
On the
is
passport.
loud.
Like a train horn?
Yeah, no, it's a truck horn.
Oh yeah.
Trucks?
Uh-huh.
It's a truck. Honk, 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 honk.
Oh, dang. Remember I had one of these passports. Oh dang. Dang, it's that
something
one rock
fell.
right there.
Something fell.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
it's probably their
saw
license plate.
No, it's right there.
Where?
Oh, it's bent.
Oh
Look.
yeah.
So the other thing is to hold it on. It took off. Nice thinking.
A lot of girls driving.
But there's a boy.
Keep your dominations on. Get it.
Yeah, get it? Oh yeah. Oh,
Ooh. Honk,
you're good. It's a Ford.
honk,
Perfect.
honk.
Good, good.
Good. I can't put you on due to copyright music. You know how people play their music, you can't put them on YouTube because they're copyright. Yeah, and it's still clean. It's still clean.
Let's go here. Mom! Mom!
Woohoo!
Hey, should we do it?
Ah,
Get the chicken and just like what?
look at this. Oh, you almost went off. Yeah. Couple more times, that thing will be clean. Yeah.
Hey, you can't put the chicken in the block either? Or you can? You can't, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's against the law. Because
Is it?
it's dead.
Oh yeah. Plus, I wouldn't want to touch it. I
Ugh.
might have a disease.
Yeah, babies. Like babies, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Might have some kind of bird flu or something.
Yeah.
That's a tent on top, huh?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, yeah.
And it's easy to put up.
Heck yeah.
I think you can put it up in like 15 minutes.
It'd be cool if we need to get chairs next time and chill right here. The little kids. There you go. Hardcore.
Thank you, Mama.
Hardcore kids. Woo! These kids get harder than most of these adults. Look at these kids handling it. SoCal Mutters coming through. Check it out, guys. SoCal Mutters. Yeah.
Well, that's it.
That's it.
Don't forget to subscribe to
Alright, guys.
Thomas Studio 17.
We're getting out of here. My shoes are wet.
You brought me out here, so.
Just so you guys know, GoPro overheats. GoPro overheats. And their batteries suck. Look at this Jeep. Yeah. Nice Jeep.